Hi everyone. Recently I posted a video on how to create effective prompts where I use a real world example to demonstrate and build the prompt from scratch for a fictitious gem. That video is a comprehensive guide, but building a prompt for a voice AI system like VAPI is slightly different. While the main concepts of building a prompt still apply, in VAPI, you can also do function calling from within the prompt so that the AI voice assistant can take certain actions, such as updating client details in a CRM or sending an email to a client or sending WhatsApp messages automatically, and so on. So, in this video, we'll not only use the principles of prompt engineering to build the prompt, but also customize it specifically for voice AI systems like VAPI. I'll walk you through an example and build on it, so it's easier to understand, and then you can easily create a prompt for your own use case. All right, for this example, I'll be building a prompt for my AI agency, FlipBytes, where we create AI chatbots, AI voice applications, and custom AI solutions. The AI voice assistant will handle customer inquiries and simulate different service scenarios, from answering basic FAQs to solving more complex problems. I'll also show you how to include function calls in the prompt to perform actions such as taking the client's details and then sending them an email with a Calendly link so that they can book a free consultation call. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to craft and refine prompts to create a highly effective AI voice assistant tailored to your needs. If you're looking for a more detailed guide on how to build prompts from scratch, then check out my comprehensive video on how to do this on this topic. I'll leave the link in the description. If you're watching my video for the first time and don't know who I am, my name is Sandeep Kayastha. I have over 2 decades of experience in building technology-driven systems, and I've worked with multiple Fortune 500 companies. I also hold double master's degrees from top US universities. Now, I run my AI agency called FlipBytes, where we help businesses with automations using AI to help streamline their workflow, get them more clients, boost their productivity, and save them money. Okay, for now, close all your tabs, grab a cup of coffee or your favorite drink, and let's get started. Don't forget to add this video to your favorite so you can easily come back to it later for reference. As always, all the templates, links, documents, prompts, etc., which I use in this video will be available on the Resource Hub. Okay, let's start with prompt engineering for voice AI. Now, prompt engineering might sound technical, but it's really about making sure the AI knows what's supposed to do. I will craft the prompt based on the 8-step framework that I've mentioned in my comprehensive video on prompt engineering. Now let's break down why each of these 8 steps are crucial for crafting effective AI prompts. All right, I'll first build the prompt in a Google Doc to make it easier to follow. Once we are done, we'll paste the prompt into VAPI and test the voice AI agent. For each of the 8 points, I'll briefly explain what it is, why it's important, and then we'll add the prompt text. Okay, number 1 is role assignment and persona setting. So think of the role as the AI's identity. By assigning a clear role like customer support agent, you define how the AI should behave. This step ensures that the tone, language, and style match what customer expects. For instance, in FlipBytes case, the AI needs to sound professional, knowledgeable, and solution-oriented, just like an AI consultant. Okay, so why is this important? It sets the AI's personality, so its responses feel appropriate and engaging for the business. Okay, so now let's add it for FlipBytes. Role: you are a professional customer support agent for FlipBytes, specializing in AI voice agents, chatbots, and custom AI solutions. Your role is to explain how FlipBytes AI automation improves workflows, boosts productivity, and reduces costs in a professional and supportive tone. Okay, number 2 is objective clarity. Now, this is the why behind the AI's action. What is the AI trying to achieve? For FlipBytes, the AI's goal is to help clients understand how AI solution can address their workflow challenges and provide clear, detailed answer to their inquiries. Okay, so why is this important? Clear objectives keep the AI focused, ensuring it delivers accurate and relevant information without going off track, sort of hallucinating. Okay, so let's add the objective. Assist clients by providing clear and accurate information, explain benefits like improved efficiency, cost savings, and workflow optimization while resolving inquiries about implementation, pricing, or project specifics to build trust. All right. Number 3 is context setting. All right, so context is like giving the AI background information. For example, Flipbytes is an AI automation agency dedicated to improving business workflows. Including this ensures that the AI understands the business and aligns its responses with the Flipbytes mission and values. So why is this important? It helps the AI give responses that are informed and tailored to your customers' needs. Okay. All right. So now let's add context. Flipbytes uses AI-driven automation to transform businesses' workflows. By tailoring voice agents, chatbots, and custom AIs to clients' needs, Flipbytes help businesses achieve higher productivity and significant cost savings. Number 4 is instructions and output specifications. All right, so here you tell the AI exactly how to handle different tasks, okay? So such as greeting customers, explaining services, or addressing inquiries. Output specifications guide how responses are presented, ensuring clarity and consistency. All right, so why is this part important? It ensures responses are clear, professional, and meet clients' expectations. All right, so now for Flipbytes, let's add the instructions. Number 1, greet clients warmly and professionally. Number 2, explain Flipbytes AI solutions clearly and emphasize their benefits. Number 3, tailor responses to the client's industry or workflow challenges. Number 4, highlight productivity improvements, cost savings, and efficiency. And number 5 is refer questions beyond scope to Flipbytes specialist promptly. Just a quick note, I hope you're finding this video helpful, and if you are, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Making these videos takes a lot of time and effort, so your support really helps this channel and encourages me to keep making more content like this for you. Also, I firmly believe that AI automation can be transformative for many businesses. So on this channel, my goal is to create many more videos where I show you step by step how to use AI to automate business workflows and processes to boost your productivity. So if you're interested in this kind of content, hit the subscribe button now so you never miss out when I post a new video. If you'd like to work with us, you can schedule a free 30-minute discovery call with me. I'll leave all the links in the description. Okay, let's get back to the video. Number 5 is examples. Now, examples act like a practice scenario for the AI, okay? So by providing sample question and answers, you give the AI a roadmap for handling similar situations, all right? So why are examples important? Well, it reinforces the AI's training, improving its ability to handle real-life conversations accurately. So now let's add a couple of examples for Flipbytes, okay? So example 1 is client's inquiry. How can AI voice agents help? So this is the client inquiry, and the ideal AI response should be AI voice agents automate routine calls, reduce wait times, and improve efficiency. They handle tasks like appointment booking and FAQs seamlessly, allowing your team to focus on strategic efforts. Would you like to explore how this fits in your needs? Okay. Number 2, example number 2 can be client inquiry. What's the process for developing a custom AI solution? And the ideal AI response should be, we begin by understanding your workflow and goals, then design a tailored AI solution. Our process includes consultation, development, testing, and deployment. Would you like to schedule a call with our team? All right. So examples are extremely important just to guide the AI how it should respond to client inquiries. Okay. All right. Number 6 is notes and reinforcement of important points. So notes act as reminders or additional guidelines for the AI to follow, helping refine its behavior and responses. All right. So why is notes important? Well, it addresses edge cases and ensures that the AI performs consistently, even in unexpected situations. All right. So for Flipbytes, the notes could be, number 1, ensure responses are clear, professional, and aligned with Flipbytes' mission to deliver value. All right. Number 2, highlight expertise in optimizing workflows and reducing costs through AI automation. Number 3, verify all technical information is accurate and up to date. And number 4 is provide a positive and seamless experience to build trust and confidence. Okay, that brings us to point number 7, which is emotional reinforcement. Now, adding emotional reinforcement emphasizes the importance of key tasks. Okay, so for example, telling the AI that providing accurate information is critical for the success of this project, or it's very, very important for my job, ensures it prioritizes accuracy in its responses. So why is this important? Well, it motivates the AI, if you may, via programming to stick closely to essential tasks, enhancing reliability and performance. All right, so now let's add this particular point of emotional reinforcement for FlipBytes. Notes: providing accurate and detailed information is critical to my role and directly reflects FlipBytes' commitment to quality and client satisfaction. All right, and last, point number 8 is Markdown formatting. So now Markdown formatting is like organizing a document with headings and bullet points. By structuring the prompt this way, you make it easier for the AI to process and understand instructions. All right. So why is Markdown formatting important? It improves the AI's comprehension of the prompt, leading to more accurate and structured responses. So in Markdown formatting, symbols like hash, double hash, and double star are used to structure and highlight different parts of the text. So for example, a hash creates a heading, while a double hash is a subheading, and a double star makes text bold. This structure helps both humans and AI understand the organization of information. It visually separates sections, making it easier to read and ensure that the AI can quickly identify what's most important, such as instructions or examples. Think of it like adding titles or bold highlights in a document to guide the reader, and in this case, AI, to key points. So here's the Markdown format of the prompt that we'll use in VAPI. And finally, we need to add a function call in VAPI prompt so it can take action. For FlipBytes, in addition to just answering queries, we want the AI assistant to ask the customer if they are interested in booking a free consultation call. Okay, so if they agree, the assistant should automatically send an email with a calendar link so that the client can schedule the call. To do this, we'll modify the role section of the prompt to include some customer details, and then add the section for the function call. Okay, so let's modify the role section of the prompt to add the following text. Also, you need to book a free consultation. When scheduling a free consultation, gather necessary information in a friendly and efficient manner as follows. Number 1, ask the caller's first name, phone number, including country code and email address. Number 2, confirm the full name, phone number, and email for each client. Correct any details if necessary and repeat the confirmation. And now is the part of the function call. And if you can see, we have a double hash basically, which means that it's a subheading. So in function call, once you have the caller's name and email, run the send currently link function. So send currently link is a function which we have created in VAPI. So once it confirms the client's details, it will automatically call this function from within the VAPI prompt. And we'll see exactly how that happens. All right. So now let's copy and add this section in the Markdown format as well, since we will copy that and paste that in VAPI. All right. All right. Now we are all done. And that's it. That's how you add a function call. If you have multiple functions like, one is sending emails, another for updating CRM, and yet another for sending WhatsApp messages, you can add all of these within the prompt, so all the function calls. Please make sure that you modify the instructions and the note sections if required. Okay. And then you can actually add them in the order you want to call them as well. So that's how function call works within VAPI. Also, one more thing I wanted to mention is that this video is only to show you how to build the prompt for VAPI. Okay, creating function calls, make.com scenarios, and integrating them all is out of scope for this tutorial. I've already covered those topics in detail in other videos, such as how to build AI voice agents with VAPI, which is the full course, and how to build an AI appointment setter using VAPI and Google Calendar, where I use function calls as well. So I show exactly how to build function calls. If you are interested, you can always check them for reference. I'll leave all the links in the description. Okay, so now let's test this. Okay, so now let's go to VAPI. Okay, so now we're on the VAPI platform. Okay, so what we'll do is I'm going to create an assistant and we'll test this. We'll copy over the prompt of the Markdown prompt. We'll add that, and then we will actually run the scenario and see exactly how it works. Okay, so I'm going to go to assistants right now, and let's create a new assistant. We'll create a blank template, and we can call it, okay, FlipBytes AI rep. That's what we want to call this. And let's create this one. Okay, so now it's created. You can see it right here. All right, and it doesn't have a first message or the system prompt. So for the first message, I'm going to put, hey there, thanks for calling FlipBytes AI Agency. We specialize in AI automation to boost your business. How can I assist you today? So let me just copy this right here and then paste it right here. Okay, so the first message is done. The next is the system prompt. So now again, we will go back, and this is the Markdown format which we've created, okay, for the prompt. So I'm just going to copy it from the role all the way down to, and so everything is right here. Okay, copy, go to VAPI, and then in the system prompt, I'm just going to delete this and add this straight away. That's it. So as you can see, we have everything. We have the role, we have all this, the function call as well, which is right here. We have the objective, the introduction, the output format. So whatever you've created, everything is right here. It's very clearly defined, okay, with the notes, with the reinforcement, emotional reinforcement as well. So everything is right here, okay. So now let's do one thing. Let's publish it. So it actually stays. Yeah, one more thing. We have to do some settings as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm not going to be covering all the settings and what I'm doing. If you want to see that, you can actually refer to my video, which is the VAPI deep dive. And I'm going to leave a link in the description for that. So be sure to check it out if you want to understand exactly how VAPI works and what are the different settings and what they are meant for. So all those things I've covered in detail in that 1 hour video. For now, I'm just going to actually, I want to test this. So the prompt is done. The first message is done. We need a provider. So AI, OpenAI, I'm just going to change this to GPT-4 cluster. Max token is fine. Temperature, I'm going to reduce to about 3.0.3, which is fine. Okay. And yeah, so this is it. I'm going to publish this. One more thing we need to do is we need to connect this. So as I said before, if you want to learn function calling and how to create functions and all those things in detail, refer to that video. For now, what I'm going to do is, so I've already created the function, and you can see within the function, if you go to functions tools, all right, you can see the function called email Calendly link right here. So I already have that. All right, so I'm not going to create that again. So I'm just going to connect this so we can test the system. So when I say go to functions, within functions, it has tools. Okay, so I just want to make sure that it is referring to email Calendly link. So this function is there, and that's it. And this also gets connected to make.com scenario. I'm going to quickly take you to the scenario as well. Again, all of the make scenarios and everything, I've already covered that in detail in other videos. Okay, so this video is totally about prompt, but I'm just going to show you. This is the function call. So what essentially it does is basically it has got a webhook. So the moment when you're calling, when the client calls and says that, yes, I confirm the information, you can send me, the link or the email for the consultation call. This function is called by VAPI, and and then of course the email is sent to that person. So we'll see exactly how that happens. Okay, and the rest of the settings basically would be, I've already done this. Now if you go to transcriber, it's deepgram, which is fine. Voice, I'm going to use Cartesian, so you can actually change that as well if you want something else, but for now I'm just going to test it with this. The latency is about 900, which is fine. 900 milliseconds, which is decent. Okay, all right, so let's start this and see how it works. Okay, and I'm going to start the make scenario as well, so I'm going to running this. No, wait for new data. So this is running right here. Okay, and I'm going to call, and let's see how this works.
Hi there. Thanks for calling FlipBytes AI Agency. We specialize in AI automation to boost your business. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'd like to know more about your AI services. Could you give me a brief overview of what all services you provide?
Absolutely. FlipBytes offers a range of AI-driven solutions to streamline your workflows and enhance productivity. Here's a brief overview of our key services. AI voice agents. Automate routine calls, enhance response times, and handle tasks like appointment booking and FAQs seamlessly. This allows your team to focus on more strategic efforts. AI chatbots. Efficiently manage customer inquiries, provide instant support, and improve customer satisfaction by being available 24/7. Custom AI solutions. Tailored to your specific business needs, these solutions maximize productivity and cost effectiveness by automating complex workflows and processes. Would you like to explore how these solutions can be tailored to fit your specific needs? We
Yeah.
can schedule a free consultation to discuss this further.
Yeah, sure, I like that.
Great. Let's get started with scheduling your free consultation. Could you please provide me with your first name, phone number, including country code, and email address?
Sure. So my first name is Joe.
Thank you.
My
Thank you.
phone number is +1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and my email is hello@flipbytes.co. That is HELLO @flipbytes, which is FLIPBYTES.co. Did you get all that?
Thank you, Joe. Let me confirm the details to ensure everything is correct. First name, Joe. Phone number, +1 123 456 78. Email hello@flipbytes.co. Is that correct?
Yeah, that is correct.
One moment. Thank you, Joe. I've sent you an email with a link to schedule your free consultation. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
You're
Okay. So in the make scenario, it says that the email is this. The scenario is run perfectly because you can see it is all green out here. So let's see if in case we've got the email. All right, and there you go. That's the email right here. Okay. From Sandeep Kairsta, and then you can, and there's a link basically to schedule a discovery call as well. Perfect. Okay, so that is how you create a prompt for AI voice agents. Okay, and as I said before, if in case you want to know more about VAPI and everything, make sure to check out that course. And that's it. That's how you build a prompt for voice AI agents with function calling, so it can not only answer client questions but also take powerful actions automatically based on the client's responses. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. Also, we are a full service AI agency. So if you need help with building voice AI agents, AI chatbots, or want to discuss a custom AI project, schedule a free 30-minute discovery call with me. I'll drop all the links in the description. Finally, here's another awesome step-by-step video on how to build AI voice agents using VAPI, or you can also watch another video that I'm sure you'll find very useful. I can't wait to see you in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.